Page 46, Meditation, a very beautiful melody by Thompson. And this is a lesson on left hand alone. Some pieces are just for left hand. It's for people who lost a hand, or lost an arm or whatever, and they got left hand, it does fine. So the right hand can just stay on your lap or wherever is convenient. You're only going to use the left hand. Let's look it over. It's 1 page long. Bass clef to start on both staves. 4 flats in the key signature that we're in the key of A flat major, so do the scale for A flat major and the arpeggio too. And common time, or 4/4 time. Let's just take it real slow and easy. We're starting up here with a half note. Now you can't hold the half note down because you got to come down here to play the A flat. So it's alright, just lift up. You're just going to keep coming back and forth. You're going to have to glance down when you get. Yeah, you'll get into the habit of when to look down and when to look at the music to keep the music going. And here. And I want to connect them if I can, but because in measure 5, the notes are close enough together in the staves I don't move. So I'm going to hold this down as I play that. I lift it up, hold it down. Now here. See, I do hold them down if I can. It's only when they're too far away that I can't, like here. I mean, if I could, I'd hold it down as I played that. But that's too much of a stretch, so I have to lift up. Now at the bottom, the last line you're here. And here, because this is treble clef here now. And then come down, and that arpeggio, I do a 5, 3, 2, 1. Because you can roll the hand up as you go. You're not trying to cover all those notes at one time. I'm going from here to here to here. So my hand is moving up as I play it. And then crossover 4. And then up. And then the last note's an A flat, of course. You knew that, I knew you did. And that's basically the notes and the rhythm, so hopefully no problem. As far as articulation goes, you connect it as best you can. Dynamics, it goes to the melody, and it looks like it's the right hand for the most part. Moderately soft, soft. If you have to kind of get an idea of it, then play that right hand loud, or play the half notes loud, and the top staff loud and the bottom staff soft. To get an idea of that feel of heavy, light, and then take it back down to moderately soft, whatever that is. Keep it. As far as the speed goes, Andante is about where I've been going. Just 1, 2, just kind of a leisure stroll, walking down, enjoying yourself. Now they've added pedal here, and of course we need pedal to connect the notes. And it's slow enough, we'd like to have the overtones because it'll add color to this. It's pretty dry right now. It's going to be overlapping pedal, but we're not pedaling everything because we don't want to smear up the melody. We have to judge it, listen to it, and question it. First, we'll try the pedaling that's marked, and if that works okay, fine. If not, we'll adjust it. So it's going to be overlapping or lag pedal. I'm going to put the note down first and then the pedal. I'm going to change it after I play the notes. I'm going to lift it up as I play the next note, not pedaling that note, and then basically the pedaling throughout. Now I am going to pedal it pretty much like it's shown, except I want to connect this melody. And if I can't connect it with that fingers, I need the pedal to help me out. For instance, in the second measure, you're here, going on to the third measure. I can't connect this very well. So I'm going to go ahead and pedal that and then change it at the bar line. So it's here. And anywhere else I can't connect the melody with the fingers, I'm going to use the pedal to help me out. Don't copy me on it. If I played it again, I'd play it differently, I'm sure. Feel these getting louder and softer as you're doing that. If you have the control in your fingers of how loud or soft you're playing, then see if you can play that top note in the upper staff a little louder. Like the first measure here. Can you play the C a little louder? I'm just putting more weight on that note. Because that is the melody. If you can bring it out, fine. If not, don't worry about it. Just play them all the same. It'll come out. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do any louds and softs. I'm going to pedal it as it's shown. I think that pedaling is working pretty well. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 3, 4, 1, rest, rest, rest.